So, this vacuum can do all floors? Yeah. Pet hair? Yeah. Show me. Sure. Okay, so let's start with this. The beast of a power head. This is called the SEB228. This has been around for a while. As a matter of fact, it's a very tried and tested power head. It has a few features you want to know about. First of all, it's self-standing, locks in place. This is the pedal by which you could release that neck. The other thing is, it has 5 adjustable height settings. What does that mean? It means that you could determine how far away or close to the piles of the carpet this power head is running. At level 1, it's the closest and the most engaged to the piles of the carpet. On level 5, it kind of floats over on top. So for flat, commercial type carpets, you might want to have it on a lower 1 or 2 setting. For thicker plush carpets, you might increase that to level 5, for instance. You'll get an idea how it works on your floors. That's not a problem. But then that 5 adjustable height setting is what allows this power to work on any type of carpets. It also has a very powerful motor in here, which turns this large 14-inch brush roll with very short bristles. Again, this is as powerful as a power head is going to get. And the whole point of this is to agitate the carpeting to get rid or to remove whatever pet hair, pet dander, or just dirt from the piles and then have it sucked through to the machine. Let me demonstrate with some coffee or sand on this thicker pile carpet. There we go. There we go. What I'm trying to show here is agitation and how much that makes a difference. On and off is here, and the power head can be adjusted, turn it on and off here. Right now we're at level 2. We're going to bring that, we'll just keep it at level 2. See how it works. Now, watch what happens to those coffee and sand beans as I come close. I'm not sure if your camera is catching it, but they start to vibrate. That's what's cleaning, deep cleaning your carpets. As far as suction is concerned, we're at the lowest. We're on the suction setting for curtains. So, not much suction there, it's all that power head. Look at the lines. All right. Now 2, I'm still kind of feeling a little bit of a struggle. So I think the perfect height for this kind of a carpet is 3. 3 is much easier to move back and forth. And that's how you know how it works on your carpets. How about pet hair? Well, let's put as much as we can. I don't think this is enough. I think we can do more pet hair on this. You know what? Let's do more. Let's challenge it. There we go. For those who love their Goldens, and that's about right. There's 2 things I want to know. How easy, if it'll pick that up, and how much of that hair is going to be wrapped around that brush roll. So let's try same suction, low suction, release, and go. I hope I've proved my point, but moment of truth. Now, even if you did have that issue with pet hair wrapping around the brush roll, this power head, unlike a lot of older style power heads where they have bars, makes it very inaccessible to reach that brush roll. This is, right now with this power head, this is all an open space. You have a big large groove here, one big large groove here. Get a knife, scissor, whatever you can, go through those grooves and you can easily, because of the short bristles as well, it's just super easy to remove pet hair from this. So it's very easy also to maintain this power head. Will this power head work on flat rugs? Yes. Will it work on bare floors? Yes. However, for bare floors, you already have another attachment that it comes with, and it's a, as powerful as that is, it's not as light as this one, and this one is just so much lighter and easier to work on bare floors. But for the sake of argument, let me show you how that power head operates. Again, one more time, on all three surfaces, just to prove the point that there is no type of floors this machine cannot do. Now, the other cool thing about it was that auto suction. Let me just show you that real quick. When I have the machine on auto, it decides by itself how much suction it requires. So right now it's on, so as soon as you turn the machine on, that's the bag status, HEPA filter status. That disappears after about 5 seconds. Let's go all the way up to auto. That's the A right there, okay? You can hear how much suction the machine is producing right now. There is no resistance. It's pretty low. As soon as I'm blocking this, you see the suction bar goes all the way down. It feels such a huge resistance that it starts slowing down the suction. As soon as I let it go and it feels no resistance, it's going to pick it back up. See? And that bar tells you whereabouts it is in the suction dial, right? So if you don't want to mess around with different surfaces and determining what suction goes where, no problem. So it's one pass. This is too easy. Now this is a flat carpet. Oh, watch what happens here. And let me explain before you judge. Oh, well, it didn't pick that up. Remember, we're at the level 3 in height. There's quite a bit of a gap right now between that brush roll and the floor. On lower pile flat carpets, you want to reduce the height level down to a 1 or a 2. So right now we're at 3. Let me adjust this down to 1 and then get another shot there. I'm gonna go down to 1. At 1, it's almost self-propelled. Let's take a look at that. And you can hear how it's engaged there. Oh, it's getting away from you, really. Like it wants to go. Like you have to hold it back because it wants to go. Listen, this thing is crazy. I'm telling you, it's a beast. It's nuts. Oh, floor heads there. Let's see. Now, one more thing. Sorry, but you don't want a brush roll spinning on bare floors. It just disperses the dirt. I'm gonna keep it on anyways, just to show you you don't have to do anything. There is no flooring with this power head cannot do, but I will recommend highly. By the way, if you want to release the power head from the wand, it's a foot release, it's very easy. I will recommend highly for your bare floors, or if you have entry mats, floor lugs, use this combo tool. It has 2 settings, one for rugs, push it forwards, bristles go in or retract. You're left with a flat rugs, carpets. For bare floors, push it back, bristles come out, much easier, lighter to use on bare floors as well. Let's try the combo tool on flat rugs and hard floors. Easy peasy. Now here we are right now, the pedal is pushed back, so bristles are out. We're good to go on hard floors. This is easy. Look, it's just there we go. I seriously recommend swapping the head on hardwood. Right now we're in auto suction, and the machine realized that we're on a surface that it needs to reduce the suction, so it did that automatically. This is a easy job, and that's it. you know what, just leave it on auto for the life of the machine and I think you should be good.